In this video, we're going to explain how to clean out a Moen kitchen faucet aerator. And on an older Moen, the aerator protrudes outward. Newer model, maybe up inside, you may have to use the original spin tool that comes with it. But basically, you're just spinning out the existing aerator. And if you look inside of the aerator, you'll see there is a bunch of stuff in there. And simply what you do is just pop it out. You'll see a bunch of stones. What that is mineral deposits. And it'll clog up this little screen. If you turn the water on gently, you can rinse it out. Pop it apart. You see all the little sediments inside of the screening, which will actually clog everything up. So once you rinse that out, get the wipe, put everything back together. Okay, do not mix up the order of assembly. You have the retainer, screen first, ring set, aerator, screen washer. Okay, once it's fully assembled, and it has to be reassembled the exact way that you take it apart or it will not function correctly, you just reinstall. You don't need to really put pliers on it, you just want to make sure it's nice and tight. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.